1 CWO2.
Our food is ready. Come and join us. Hey guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Doris Etito. Don't mind the voice you are hearing at the background. That's Ricky. Ricky is in the sitting room with his younger brother Brume. Okay, so we are back from we are closed for the day. Okay, I'm back from work, children are back from school and from my sister's shop, that's Brume. And then I want to make food. Okay, I want to cook soup and I want to make stew. And then when I got back from work, I went to get some items from my street. Okay, you know, going to the market these days, if you don't have cash, it's somehow, unless you are going you are doing bulk shopping. I don't think I've even gone to the I've not gone to the market in a long time. I usually buy things from sellers, traders, okay, along my street, because most of the things that I need, I usually find them here, and it's convenient for me. You know, I can just walk down my street and I'll get all I need at even good prices. Okay, so I bought some stuff and I'm going to make soup and stew this night. So I bought okra. See, I bought this very fresh okra from my street. You see what I mean? So what's the point of going to the market? And I did not pay cash. I did transfer, mobile transfer. So I bought okra. I'm going to make okra soup. Onions, crayfish, pepper, tomato. Tomato is very fresh. Let me show you sample. They are very fresh tomato. Some quantity of palm oil.
I want to bring the pencil.
I'm coming. So I bought half bottle of palm oil, ugu leaf, melon, that's egusi. I also bought more pepper, seasoning, more crayfish, coconuts. I bought coconuts, okay. Bought diaper for Brume. My husband bought meat in the morning, okay. So I'm going to use this meat. So I'm going to use, I still have some tomato left. I'm coming, okay. Wait for me, oh. Don't start writing, wait for me to guide you. Okay, my love. Okay, so I have some tomato at home that I used last week. So I will add it to make stew. I love adding shombo in my stew, but I couldn't find shombo to buy. So I have to start cooking right away. But before I cook, Ruki, stop making noise. Don't sing, okay? Before I cook, I need to bathe Brume and attend to him, because Brume needs to sleep right about now. And Brume is in the sitting room. I've put yam on fire. Me and Ricky, we cannot wait for this food to be ready before we take our dinner. Before we have our dinner, I beg your pardon. It's already 7 p.m. and yeah, there is yam on fire. I'll make egg sauce with the yam and then cook this soup for tomorrow, and the stew will be for in the morning for Ricky to take to school. And yeah, all right, Ricky will have homework. I need to assist him with his homework. Okay.
ONE1 CWO2 THREE3 FOUR 4 FIVE 5 XIX 6 SEVEN GI.
Is that GEIGHT 8?
EIGHT 8 NINE 9 TEN 10.
job.
Look at old NE1. I found it.
Yeah.
Look at TWO2. We found it.
Our food is ready. Come and join us.
It's river.
And let us pray. Keep the water down. Let us pray. Oh Lord, we thank you for this food. Bless us.
Oh Lord.